Evidence Me is really useful for parents' evenings. You've got all these lovely observations, so it's great to be able to share them with the parents. When with parents, you could encourage them to take their own observations using their own devices. And you could use the gallery during parents' evening. In the menu to the top left, you can access My Gallery. In here, you'll see the photographs for the observations you've recently taken. At the top, you can change to select for a class or learner. You can select a date range, and then you can tick the images you want to include. At the bottom, you'll be able to print the images, download them, or turn them into a slideshow. In this example, I'm going to turn them into a slideshow. This will loop the pictures, and it's a brilliant way to display the images on the board during parents' evening.